The Sinclair C5.
Hey you guys, check this out. I bought a nice Sinclair. Yes, I bought a Sinclair 5. Okay, C5 Sinclair, super cool. Okay, I need to do a little bit of restoration, so follow my every step or update. This is for the, to put in here. So that's super cool. It's like a bicycle, but I was thinking to put maybe I put a 7-speed on it or something, like a gear shifting, so that I can do it, I think, on this one. So it will be a little bit more easily to pedal. And I have to buy the battery, and I have to buy a few extra things. So yeah, super cool. But the light, the backlight, cool man. The luggage, nothing in, but that's the key, original key, Sinclair key. Wow, cool. And then via the steer, this goes in here. That's one a little bit zwaar I have. That has to do much restoration. My plan is to take this off. Maybe I take everything off. So the Sinclair was built in 1985. Yeah, super cool. I really a little design bike. Yeah. This is the motor. Looks like it's working, isn't it? Wow, cool. No, this is battery. Interessant. Looks like, but I have to buy many things. I saw here the light. Light in here. I think I have to go in the front here with a little light bulb here. I'll make this one good. Thank you for watching.